Reporting for BusinessWise, I'm Bob Pritchard. Asian stock markets were little changed this morning after the European Central Bank refrained from further easing of monetary policy, and investors look to the upcoming U.S. jobs report for a new trading cue. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 edged up 0.1% to 15,091, while Seoul's Kopsi drifted down 0.1% to 1991. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was nearly unchanged at 22,549. Mainland China's Shanghai Composite was up 0.3% to 2,049, while Australia's S&P ASX 200 was flat at 5,408. Stocks in Indonesia were the biggest losers, down 0.6%. Other Asian markets were mostly flat. The U.S. jobs market report will be released this morning in Washington. Many economists think it will show a bounce back in hiring by employers who held off adding staff during winter. A strong jobs report would boost confidence that the U.S. economic recovery is back on track, also reinforcing expectations that interest rate hikes are in the pipeline after the Federal Reserve ends its bond purchasing program that has provided extraordinary monetary stimulus. Earlier in Europe, sentiment was mixed after the ECB did not cut interest rates or announce any new stimulus measures, as some had been hoping. The ECB decided to leave its main interest rate at a record low 0.25%. The ECB dismissed fears that consumer prices might fall in countries that use the euro common currency, but stressed that the bank was ready to act if inflation remained low. Germany's DAX closed almost 0.1% higher at 96.28, while France's CAC 40 rose 0.4% to 44.49. Britain's FTSE 100 shed 0.2% to 66.49. On Wall Street, the Standard & Poor's fell just over 2 points to 1888, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped almost a half point to 16,572. The Nasdaq Composite fell almost 39 points to 4237. In energy markets, benchmark U.S. crude for May delivery was up 4 cents to $100.32 U.S. a barrel, and overnight trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange, the contract gained 67 cents yesterday to close at $129. The euro fell to $1.3714 from $1.3720 late on Thursday. The U.S. dollar was steady at 103.91 yen. Reporting for BusinessWise, I'm Bob Pritchard.